y'all, so today I'm going to be talking about this lovely wig I got on. A company contacted me from Amazon and wanted me to review one of their products, so I chose this wig. The name of the company, I don't know if it's, I don't even know how to say it, but it's ATOZ Wigs, and it's on Amazon. I'm going to leave their link below. This is how the packaging is, which is how I showed you, before. So the first thing I noticed about this wig is that it's light, which is really nice. The density of it is 130, I think. But if you don't know about density, the higher the density, the thicker the hair. So this hair it's very light. I think that if it was straight, it would not fly at all because it would be too thin. But due to the fact that it's curly, like, it looks really nice. And so this is a 14-inch, and this is about where it goes. I did not co-wash it. I literally just, got it out the package and worked with it like that because I wanted to work with it in like its natural state. So yeah, the curl pattern is really, really gorgeous, like really gorgeous. So this is definitely like an inexpensive summer hair, especially if you are a frontal type girl. This is definitely what you're looking for. I really just did like this section, the section that you will be seeing. The rest of the baby hair, I did not do anything to them. I literally just left them be. The parting space is from here to here, so you get about this much parting space in the middle. On the side, you get about that much, so it can be put into a high ponytail or like a top bun or whatever. I want to comment on the communication of the actual company. Like, I know this is the hair review, but I gotta comment on the company. So y'all, the communication with this company is A1. Like, their customer service is really good. Whoever was helping me, I wish I knew their name, but whoever was helping me was so nice and so kind, respectful, like polite. That's what I like. Like, customer service is everything. So what else I noticed about the hair is that it sheds a little bit. Let's see if I'll get a strand. So I don't know if you guys can see those little strands. Can you see them now? So that's like what, maybe like 2 strands. So it sheds like just a tad bit, but like I feel like, let's be realistic, like all hair sheds because we're humans and our natural hair shed, so why wouldn't this shed? Okay, I see if it's like over shedding, but it's just like the normal shedding, so it's nothing to that. Shipping was really quick. I ordered it, I think, I placed the order on Monday and it got here yesterday, which was Wednesday, and it was really quick. Like, you can dye this hair, by the way. It is Brazilian hair, it's virgin hair, you can dye it. Added an elastic band to the wig. If you don't know what an elastic band is, it's made to like keep your wigs tight and secure and lay down your frontal so that you don't have to use any like glue or anything. So all this is done with nothing but edge control. So it was really nice. I decided to pluck it a little bit. My tweezers were not working, so I wet the lace and just pulled it out one by one with my hand. That was it really didn't take that long because I really didn't pluck that much. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? So when I was plucking it, mostly what I wanted to do was pluck the sides because I want the sides to be thinner than the top because that's how my natural hairline is. So that's why I plucked the sides a little more than I plucked the top, and that's just gonna like give it a more natural look and everything. Overall, I give this hair, I give it an 8. And I'm gonna tell you why I give it an 8. I give it an 8 because me personally, I would like it like more thicker. All this is frontal. I don't really do baby hair that much, so I kind of just like swoop back. And something I forgot to mention, y'all, the way the hair actually feels like in my hands is really, really soft. Like, really soft. This wig is really bomb. I hope that you guys like this hair. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely talk to you guys